So being an architect, I'm used to making graphics where you use a photo and you put together in a collage and make a rendering, or where you make a presentation of a building. And in this work, it's normal to use Photoshop. But as the mobile devices has become increasingly better, I started to use this Ukrainian software called Photo Studio. And combined with graphics generated by different AIs like DALL-E, it's possible to now put together different types of graphics in a collage, like this one we see here, in a totally new way, and you could spin on the visions you would have for new products or new services, or just new experiences for gaming or whatever it might be. And in the field of architecture, I find this very interesting. But just for fun, to make cool art, I also enjoy this experience. And I have made a lot of different graphics now I put on my Instagram, and I think this is a very cool experience. So a lot have happened after we started to get these AI tools, where we could now create new types of visualizations, where we have a totally new toolbox basically to create new worlds and what we might desire. So this is actually how I do it. Many times we're just on the go and trying to have some fun making graphics like the one we see here, and I'm taking it off into Photo Studio like here, and I make the final touch of it before I publish it online or use it in some other work, especially when it's mobile. That is really great. I also see that you could use DALL-E on your phone. DALL-E 2 is great for that. Might be some challenges like you don't have on the computer, but overall I think it's a great experience, and we get a lot of cool graphics with this, and like this graphics here. I mean, this woman driving or piloting this ship here. I'm putting on my signature at the end here. I'm putting it on Instagram, and I just think it's cool.